Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1, O-N-E, 1. Kids, now we draw the number of 2, T-W-O, 2. Now we draw the number of 3, and the next one is 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw the number of 5, F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6, S-I-X, 6. Now we draw 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, and the next one is 8. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. Kids, now we draw the number of 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Now we draw 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. The next one is 13. Now we draw the number of 14. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the number of 15. Kids, now we draw 16. The number of 16. The next one is 17. Now we draw 18. The next one is 19. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw 19. The last one is 20. The number of 20. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.